This is the new iPad Mini 7, and this is the new Legion Y700. They are both 8-inch small tablets, handy and easy to hold with one hand. Oh, how are they different? The Y700, its screen is really different. How is it different?
3K resolution, a 165Hz refresh rate, and 408 ppi. What do you think?
No, why are you shouting so loudly? This is a high-quality liquid retina display with accurate colors and high brightness, and it works very smoothly.
Not to be rude, but if you can say your 60Hz is smooth, then my 165Hz must be on another level, right?
Flying doesn't matter, my users will adapt. What about your colors? Accurate colors? Small bezels? High brightness? Let's not talk about those. Your screen had a big plastic stand last year.
What about it? Gone.
How's the touch?
It's changed. This year it's still 360Hz, waiting for your screen to respond.
Come over, you've noted it. Hey, I have an 8.3-inch screen with a 3.2 ratio to watch.
Books and movies fit perfectly with your screen ratio, but for watching shows, you need to have comments on the screen to add to the atmosphere. A 16:10 ratio is what makes a big screen.
Immerse. Don't get too cocky. You can't win just with the screen. Of course not. Let's not talk about this next time. So, what do you suggest we compare instead?
Very well. We shall see during our next encounter.
I'm not scared of you.